Good morning, everyone. Good to see you, Jigar. Good morning, Shashi. Good morning, Arvind. Which city are you from, Arvind? Jigar, I'm seeing you after a few days. I forgot which city are you from. If you can help me recall. Good morning, Pramod. Arvind, you're from Trivandrum. Wonderful, wonderful. Beautiful place. Surat. Yes, yes, yes. Now I remember. Sorry, there are so many people I keep forgetting who's from where. Unless I get to see you on almost regular basis. All right. What are we expecting today? Quickly, let's look at the gift nifty. It's trading at 180 and Nifty futures ended at 388. Are we expecting a 200 points gap down? I'd mentioned in my trade plan last night that 24,600 is the um, key decider. And if Nifty is not able to go above this, then the bulls are in trouble. I'd marked this line in the trade plan 595. So broadly 24,600. ये अगर हो जाता है, then we can see higher levels up to all time high. But if this doesn't happen, which looks like the case now, then we could be headed towards 23,961 eventually. But today we may see these kind of levels again, 24 100 and 24,074, which was seen day before yesterday. So brace up for gap down. There was expectation that today being the monthly expiry, we may see some kind of an up move, but all those expectations seem to have gone. If you're holding C, look, as I said, the expectation was that because of monthly expiry, we may see an up move, but that is not happening. So you should exit. This is what I would remember. I would say, don't ask me because you don't ask me when you get in. Plus, I don't know what strike and what expiry. So it's very difficult to give individual calls. Please, I can't do that formally, but all I can say is the direction is down. Um, but whether it continues going down or it opens and starts recovering, that you'll have to take a decision once the open, you can see the prices at open. This is why I ask people to learn first before putting in your money. But you guys find the programs pretty expensive. So that's a very cheap program as compared to cost effective program as compared to the losses that you are accumulating in wrong trades. बट क्या करें यार, आप लोग लॉस खा के ही सीखते हैं. क्या हुआ? This is human psychology, don't worry. Everybody is like this. Just wait for the market open, understand the situation, and then take a decision. Reopen rates to come in any moment. What can we expect as pre-open? Around 250, 24, 250 or so. Let's see. 24, 269 or so. This is what my sense is. But Nifty can always, market can always surprise you. So this is just an idea. A day or a minute or two more, and then we'll know exactly what is in store. Good morning, Monika. Good morning. Good morning, Sandeep. For the ones who are joining in a little late, the good morning, Andre. For the ones who are joining in late, the expectation is that Nifty will open gap down, and it has opened gap down. It is opened at 24,230. Wow, 230, and the sense is that it may go down to 141 and 141, 102, and 074. This is the range where we can expect Nifty to reach during the day. This is an anticipation. This is not a guarantee, but this is an anticipation. And Bank Nifty is opening at 5572, 50,000, sorry, 50,762, which is lesser than the previous low, which is also not a good news for bulls and great news for bears. I have been negative since yesterday and have clearly mentioned that unless Nifty manages to trade above 24,600, 24,595 ki line I had drawn when I was explaining the trade plan. Unless it trades above this and stays with conviction, then we can see all-time high again. But if not, then we are weak and we are going down. Eventually, 23961 is the target. Not today, but eventually, before the up move resumes. But today we are expecting, the lines are clearly written here, 141, 102, and 074. This is the likely support today. Surprising gap down considering the fact that today is a monthly expiry. Generally, profit booking aati hai, and normally all the shorts they cover their positions, so it doesn't remain short. 10 minutes past 9, and time to check a few things. So Bank Nifty is opening 550 points down. Nifty opening 180 points down. I've just placed the message on Telegram so that who are not joining can also get the updates. Good to see you, Karthik. Good to see you, Mahesh. Vimal J, good morning. Where are you from? First, tell us this. Shri Gaming, good morning. If you are new for the first time, please tell us the city so that everybody knows and feels nice to know you. Rekha, good morning. Jay, I can't give you a cookie cutter formula. There is a way to look at things, and you have to learn it properly. You can't. I can't give you a random, message, and I can tell you what is the stop loss. But broadly, the stop loss should not be more than 1% of the overall capital. That is the thumb rule, I can say. Good to know that you're from Hyderabad. There are many people from Hyderabad here. Um, Welcome. Good to see you. And Shri Gaming. What's your name, yeah? Shri Gaming is okay. But what is your name and where are you from? 9:14. We are about to open any moment and we can expect to see a deep cut any moment now. There we go. Wow. Amazing. This is the 3-minute chart and you can see where we have opened. Massive gap down. Let it settle. Do not assume that it will go up or go down. Let it settle and then take a decision. It's good not to trade, but then do not take a gamble trade. Nobody wants to enter this market right now. FIIs are moving out. Wonder why anyone would plan a call trade. मौसम नहीं है कॉल का. Bank Nifty is trading below yesterday's low. This is where it is, and you can see it is much below yesterday's low clearly. Made a made a new low from the recent swing perspective. We had an internal call at 12 o'clock yesterday and we discussed about what is likely to happen. And all of you are seeing that happening. The only expectation was today being the monthly expiry, we may have some kind of a pullback. And the Lakshman Rekha for that was 24,600. And obviously, it's nowhere near 24,600 right now. It's trading at 24,230. First 3 minutes are about to be over. Nifty, Bank Nifty seems to have found some kind of a support at this moment in intraday charts. Let's look at the hourly chart. Let's open the indicators and levels. Yes, 50,708 is a possible support. यहाँ पे भी खोल देते हैं. Yeah, very near. I'm not saying it will not go down, but this seems to be at a good support right now. First 3 minutes are up, and we are now seeing the second candle. On Nifty, we are seeing it in green color. So Nifty is trying to see some kind of a base, but too early, absolutely too early to say anything. I had explained in our call in the day yesterday that why is the tone looking extremely bearish, and the gut feel has been confirmed by the move that we are seeing today. I've been sitting on put positions since yesterday, and I am very close to booking out my profits. Even if it falls more, I'm not interested. Whatever I get, I'm fine with it. Closed matter ends, pretty decent profit for the day, and it may go wherever. It can go to the moon now. I don't care. The profits being in the pocket, you are relaxed. Yet successful in making a base, it is still trying. It's trading near the low of the day. Nifty and Bank Nifty are very weak and probably a little oversold. Nifty cracking down further. Nifty futures trading at 201 right now, 24201, but spot is at 24220. I would rather want Nifty to go up a little bit before I take up a new fresh put trade. Let people who have made money book out so that we can initiate the shorts when we get an opportunity. India VIX still settled around 11.98, almost 12. Even despite the weekly monthly expiry, people are not booking out profits. That means the outlook is not very bright. Severe fall can come. Severe fall. This is just the first hint. Remember my words, severe drastic fall. I'd already mentioned day before yesterday in the trade plan that I made for yesterday that 50,930 is possible and we got it yesterday. I also mentioned that 49,717 is also possible, but it may take some time. So vertical to nahi jayega, it will go back up, recover a little bit and then start falling. I will wait for some kind of a recovery before I take a fresh position in the shorts. Bank Nifty short. Nifty gap, intraday gap is not filled yet, which is very interesting. Nifty's gap is still wide open. Okay, now we are seeing some kind of a recovery. And from here, we may see some kind of an attempt to fill the gap. I'm glad I exited out in right in time. One more second and things would have been different. So Bank Nifty seems to have found a support here, and Nifty also seems to have found a support here. You know what does it mean? Please take action accordingly. If you are in shorts, book your shorts. If you are in longs, if you want to initiate longs, maybe you can with a small quantity, keeping the current low as the stop loss. But that's not going to be a great trade because you're trading against the main move, the impulse. If you trade against the impulse, it better be in very small quantity for a very small move. Let me see your chats now. Okay, Deepa, Sri Gaming, Deepa. Okay, which city are you from? Two lots with 300 points each in Bank Nifty. Should I close or it? You, Aruna, you know what to do. Don't ask me. Close the trade. Good. If this if this live is making sense to you and you're getting an idea what is to be done in the morning, please feel free to like, subscribe, and share this link with your friends who desperately need to know the right way to trade. There is a science behind BTST. Ladies and gentlemen, do not take BTST with gut feel. It doesn't work. It may work once or twice, but you would rather like to be in a situation that it works 8 times out of 10, not 2 times out of 10. So learn first. Learn first. Booked 1,280 points in swing trade, Sarji. Insane analysis. How sweet, Rishi. You are amazing. 1,280 points in swing trading. Ladies and gentlemen, listen to this gentleman's capture. Watch what he's doing. And he's not alone. There are many like him. And you still feel that the coaching program is expensive. Did the coaching program help you, Rishikesh Shinde? Can you please share your thoughts so that others who are new can understand the value of the program, not just look at the cost? 1280 points. Absolutely insane. I'm so happy for you. I think you're probably writing something, Rishi. Just mention to people if the coaching program helped you in understanding the market scientifically. There is simple science and simple maths behind it, nothing else. Anyone can learn this. Please continue to like, subscribe and share. अभी बहुत कम लोगों ने शेयर किया है, लाइक किया है. I'm still seeing far more number of people here and lesser number of likes. You're welcome, Rishi. You need to let people know if the coaching program that you participated in, you were part of the fourth batch, I recall. Did it help you? Good morning, Rutvik. I don't know if you joined late or you were sitting here and you have just said good morning. In the meanwhile, the market is still trying to gain momentum. It is still not there. It's still struggling to find a base. How does it look on daily chart? Not good. 930 has been broken convincingly in Bank Nifty, and Nifty is in the air. It's still down with a gap down. मौसम बदल गया है. 19-20 दिन से बदल रहा था. We had been talking about it internally. This is the hourly chart, and 30 first 15 minutes are over, ladies and gentlemen. Now it can go up now. It has kind of made a base, and there can be a sudden up move. People can just start booking their profits, and you can see that coming in a little bit right now. Good thought, Aruna. Very good. Wow, what have you written, Rishi? Long statement. All I will say is close your eyes and register for the program. My God. Thank you so much. I would rather say that the money you are giving is nothing as compared to the value you will get. This is really life changing. Thank you. Thank you so much, Rishi, for such heartfelt testimonial here live. Rishi has been the part of fourth batch, and I still remember he was very tentative when we had a first chat कि मैं कुछ सीखूंगा, कुछ फायदा होगा मेरा कि नहीं, will I be able to make some capture? And look at him, he has captured amazing, mind blowing 1280 points in swing trading. सीखना हो तो थोड़ा सा टाइम और इन्वेस्टमेंट करना पड़ेगा. Otherwise, keep on losing till it pinches you a lot, and then when it pinches you too much, then come to me, because only then you will be serious. But huge congratulations, Rishi. Huge congratulations. Your capture can be the envy of any trader. So remember yesterday I was saying that we could be seeing a 2x trade very soon. So this is the same 2x trade he has taken. Sarvan, good morning. Good to see you. Anyone else who has made money, who's captured some points or lost some points, irrespective, please share here. This is the platform for you to share your loot or loss. Market seems to be moving up. Having found a base, it is clear now. We will look at the Nifty in a multi time frame chart. What does it look like? First, let's look at the price action. All right, this is where we are. Nifty has found a support on super trend, and that's at 24244. 24244. While the target downside is 24100, I think it will take some time to break. It may not break today, it may break tomorrow, we don't know. But for now, Nifty has found support, and chances are that it will now try to cover the gap. We do not trade on the reverse side of the main impulse, so it's avoidable. And we also avoid trading beyond 9:45 because we feel that first few minutes are good enough for you to make your money. आपको ये सिखाया जाता है कि पहले 15 मिनट कुछ मत करो. What we say, that is the only time when you have to do something if you want to be making money. So now we can see Nifty in spot recovering to 24,268, having made a low of 24,210. And Nifty can move all the way up to 24,323. This is what it looks like. It will start finding resistance around 24,300, but can probably go up to 24,323 or beyond. But for now, it seems to have found a base. Bank Nifty, similar situation, although Bank Nifty is comparatively weaker on the up move. All of us know that the DNA of Bank Nifty is weak. So Bank Nifty is our index for the downside, not for the upside in general, because 8 out of 10 times Bank Nifty will reward you on the downside, and 8 out of 10 times Nifty will reward you on the upside. So if you are considering a call, that is your index, preferred index should be Nifty. 100 points in Nifty, Sarvan, very good. Congratulations. Karthik trade is on and on fire. Very nice. लगा दो आज बारूद गिरा दो. Carried put in Nifty. Very good. Sarvan, the view was very clear. We had a discussion yesterday and the view was very clear. Sagar Bank Nifty 150 points profit. BTST running. Fantastic. See, this is what happens when you learn the science and understand how to trade. All these are the people from various Go Green batches who are now giving you what they are doing, and they are doing on their own. I'm not giving out any calls to anyone. They're doing on their own, independent, confident. That brings a huge smile on my face. More updates, anyone? So many of the trades are running. I know. Um, if someone has closed the trade, please share. As you can see, Bank Nifty में दम नहीं है. It's trying to go up, but then again falling. Nifty may still be holding on. Yes, it is holding on. 9:37. The time left for the morning trade is almost about to get over. We will not hold it beyond 9:45 as per the rules. So we just follow the rules and they work. So the cycle time apparently worked yesterday. I did not notice this, but the cycle time was here in Nifty at 1:45 p.m. It made a low and it went up after that towards by the end of the day. When is the next cycle time? Let me see. This was yesterday. There is no immediate cycle time. Today, there is something I can see. 26th Friday, which is tomorrow, 12 noon, is the cycle time for Nifty. That's when you can see a possible up move, and the next cycle time for Bank Nifty is on Monday, 12:15 p.m. Please take a note. Nifty 12 p.m. 26th tomorrow. कल दोपहर को noon Nifty and Monday 12:15 p.m. for Bank Nifty. That's the time when the time will be conducive for a possible up move depending upon the price action at that time. Nifty making a steady progress on the upside. This is the time now to look at multi-time frame chart and figure out when does the 5-minute time frame Nifty starts finding resistance and reverses, and then followed by 15 minutes an hour. You know exactly when to take the entry, but I would still not be very keen to take it because Nifty 50 is at a super trend support of 24244. This has to break. So if it happens with conviction, wonderful. Then the lower targets obviously will open up to 24,100 or so. 940, most of the job is done. The market is moving on the upper side now, trying to recover the losses. Sarvan, thank you. You said that you entered at the level you were explaining in on call at 24,430. Wonderful, wonderful. Rekha, 100 points in swing. Wonderful, wonderful. See, this is what happens when you learn. You have people understanding when is the next move coming up. They position themselves accordingly and then they take the trade completely independently. Very simple analysis that they need to do and plan things accordingly. It works out like charm. And if it doesn't, all that you lose is a very small amount. And that's okay because kuch to risk lena padega na. Somewhere you need to take some bit of risk. So some small risk and a massive reward. Look at what Rishi has done today. Outstanding. 1,280 points. Absolute rock star of the day. Still remember his phone call. I think it was in March or whatever. So, and he said that, will I be able to capture some points? I said, you will. Rishi, do you remember that phone call? Probably you were in a bus wanting to go for a holiday. So happy for you. So Nifty has reached 24,300. That was expected. And it is getting a pushback now. It will fall down, but then it will resume again, most likely, and hit 23, 24,323 also. Thank you, Rishi. Yes, very much. You remember that phone call. Very good. It's okay to be unsure in the beginning. It's absolutely okay, but amazing clarity you have displayed and fantastic conviction and character. Absolutely remarkable. Varnika managed to capture 50 points in Nifty call. Very good. Because intraday mein, there was only a trade on the upside, not on the downside. Good. See how people are easily making money. We don't talk MTM. We don't talk in terms of how much money made. We talk in terms of how many points captured. Because if you learn how to capture the points, money is a byproduct. It will anyway get made. The registrations are open for the next coaching program. I'm only accepting a sign up right now. The date is yet to be planned. I'm only taking a sign up. The the feel free to fill up your basic information, and whenever it is announced, you'll get a priority because I pick up only 10 people. So it's purely first come first serve basis and some bit of assessment at my end. Only 10 people, and will not take a bigger batch because I'm not able to give individualized attention to each one of you. Right now, I know each and every participant of my programs one to one, and each participant's problem is different. So it's easy for me to coach you very intensively if I have if I have limited number of participants. The Yes, you're right, Himanshu. The registration form link is pinned above. You can see it. You can clearly see that it is pinned above. Please click on that and fill up your intention to learn. This is going to be an ongoing process now, depending upon your intention to sign up. You will get the first priority. 9:45, the morning trade time is done. Yeah, yeah. Karthik is another super performer. Karthik is going to come back with some more captures. Let's see. It's a healthy competition. Everybody wants to, capture higher number of points. It's a very beautiful environment. People making money, understanding the nature of the market, understanding the science behind it, and taking a trade with very controlled emotions. You saw me book out in the morning, almost at the top. Sorry, almost at the bottom, and I'm sitting pretty. I'm relaxed. There is no need to panic or get a feeling to trade more. It's okay. Done for the day, boss. Relax. Thank you. Very kind words, Rekha. Yes, the learning community is amazing. All of you are amazing. They're all like-minded people, positive people who help each other. Thank you so much. So Rekha is saying I would like to suggest the program blindly, no second thought. So anyone who's new here and is wondering what is this all about, this is a Go Green personalized coaching program. Personalized coaching program where I coach people to the traders to coach to trade in a scientific manner. Even a simple class 8 student can learn. It's pure simple mathematics. Congrats, Rahul. You made 100 points. Wonderful. Rahul, I had an opportunity to meet many years back. Rahul, which year was that? Do you remember? So he went through a different kind of a program with me. I think it was 2008 or 10. No, 2013. Okay. Yeah. Almost 11 years back. That was a different type of interaction, but I'm sure you picked up a few things from there. Wonderful. 947, the market seems to have given up the gains. Nifty seems to have given up the gains, but don't worry, it was expected because it had hit 24,300. The high it has made is 24,300.1. So the pushback was expected. It has come down again. It will again now make a second attempt and hopefully it should crack 24,323 and beyond. But this is how market moves and this science you need to understand so that you plan your trade accordingly so that the stop losses are not hit so often. किसी के सिर्फ स्टॉप लॉस ही हिट होते रहते हैं और किसी की ट्रेड चलती रहती है. The difference is when have you entered? What's the science behind that? Okay, good, good. Pramod captured 130 points in Bank Nifty put. Fantastic, Pramod. What a consistency. Fantastic. Rahul says I took a put when it broke today's low. Okay, good. Varnika is saying one and only program where you will learn to make money without losing. We are in the group, are leveraging Sir's invaluable experience to help us. Thanks a lot, sir. So kind of you, Varnika, to say all these nice words. But I think it is you guys who are amazing. Amazing because the kind of environment you have created together for all of you. There's a lot of positivity, a lot of encouragement, a lot of knowledge sharing, and a lot of hand holding and support for each other. So the participants of Go Green 1 program are also here, which I conducted, started from December 22. So it's an extended support. And the beauty is whenever I conduct the next program, all the previous participants are allowed to revise for free. Yes, for free. The entire program. Unlike many people who would want to charge you again, I don't want to charge you again at all. Because I believe that if you have paid me money once, I don't need anything beyond that. And Rishi, for such nice testimonials live, thank you so much. If for some reason anybody has filled the form, please announce that you have filled the form. I recall Himanshu mentioning that he has filled the form and shared with his friends also. So if you have filled the form, please also share it with your friends and let them know that this is a personalized coaching program and you're seeing the results. This like popcorn, ek ek karke sab, they are all popping one after the other. Doesn't matter how much points you're capturing, but you're capturing a lot of points. So if you have filled up the form, let people know that you filled the form and please share it also with your friends so that you not only become part of the program, you also get a friend of yours so that both of you can at least learn and collaborate together. Yes, thank you, Imanshu. Thank you so much. 50 points, 100 points, 130 points, 300 points, 150 points, 1280 points. लाइन लग गई है पॉइंट्स की. I can share with you the moment I took my mind away from MTM, it started making sense. 99% of the time we focus on points. Hardly one time when we have to check something, we look at MTM, otherwise, it's always points. And we just focus on being green. Ladies and gentlemen, have you just liked this live program? Can you just ensure that you have clicked on the live button, like button? Please like it and share it in your friend circle. Still some scope. I see more number of people than the number of likes. Can I make a humble request to everyone to like this live program right now? Thank you so much. मार्केट में दम नहीं है. Nifty is retracing back. Bank Nifty is broken the low further. HDFC Bank. Okay, let's look at HDFC Bank. Here it is on the left side. HDFC Bank is holding up, yes, but it has to give way because it is going to face the pivot at 1618. So थोड़ा सा और ऊपर जा सकता है, उसके बाद it can collapse again. And when that happens, it will be a much bigger move, and that may probably come next week. Who knows? It could be tomorrow. But upside is limited to 1618 or max of 1624, but उसके beyond नहीं है. It made a fresh low of the recent swing yesterday, and today it is making an inside bar on the upside, so it is holding up the market. Reliance is also an inside bar, but most of the trade is towards the yesterday's low. ICC Bank is losing out, losing on the game, and is testing the super trend and can fall to 1188. Infosys has started giving up. It was knocking on the doors of 1844 to go up further, but seems to have given up and is trading near yesterday's low. In any case, Infosys is overbought and has to correct and could correct up to 1753. Imagine if HDFC Bank goes down and Infosys also goes down, your stock number one and stock number four going down, you know where the market would be. So कॉल ट्रेड का तो मतलब नहीं बनता ना अभी. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's 9, almost 10 o'clock, 9:56, 9:57. Time for us to consider winding up the morning session. Glad you all made the money. There are still people sitting and wondering if this program is worth it. You have seen live demo of what people are doing. They have far more recovered than their initial investments of the coaching fee. उससे ज़्यादा निकाल चुके हैं. With the knowledge, with them forever. And this is simple set of rules you have to just follow and you can make money. But then people don't want to do it till the time they lose enough money. So I understand. I completely understand the human nature. But if you do not want to lose too much of money, come learn. I'll be very happy to coach you one to one. Very happy to. There are so many happy people here. All right. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. I can see some people have filled up the form. Thank you so much and welcome. Um, I can see at least one name. If I Shiv Kumar Agarwal. Shiv Kumar, are you there? If you're there, you can say hello here. Rekha says Nifty puts 100 points. Good. Thanks for teaching me this patience. Yes, patience is important because if you are impatient, you'll burn your fingers. If you have patience, you'll actually pick up the loot. Thank you, Rishi. I'm so happy for you once again. Congratulations once again, and have a great day, everyone. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. And also look forward to you participating in the trade plan by liking and sharing it in your friend circle. Have a good green day. Bye bye.